We're at Photo Booth Expo 2018 looking at some of the cool things at the show, and that brought me to the Atlanta Photo Booth. And you are looking at something brand new. This is the Venue Pad. This is a little iPad-based photo booth. But what's cool about this is it's all self-contained, all battery-operated, so there's no wires, and you are good to go. Could this go to a printer? Yes, there is some apps and such that you can go to a printer, but this is really awesome for the selfie booth, the iPad selfie booth. This particular unit is built to handle the new 10.5-inch iPad Pro. They can also do other size iPads and such with that, but it's all built ready to go with the new iPad. This, again, is battery operated, so it can run the lights and your iPad and such up to between 4 and 7 hours, depending upon how much light, if you have them wide open and what's going on. But it's going to be able to do most of your photo booth or selfie booth events, depending upon what you're wanting to do with the day. It'll all break apart for easy transport, and it breaks down into, I believe, 3 parts, 3 pieces, yeah. The total weight of this is about 28 pounds. So a couple of these, you can call one in each hand, into the room you go, setup is quick and easy, and you are ready to go. Now we're going to walk to the back and take a look at the back of this. Let's check that out. So we check out the back of the Venue Pad. We've got, of course, the batteries you're seeing on the left and right there. That's what's powering the outer light ring. You've got handles. What this is designed to do is you can actually take it off that camera mount right there, and you can have a walkable photo booth. You can walk around and take pictures. You can go up to tables that may not come and smile in your little selfie booth. You could go up there and take a picture at their table, wherever they're at, and have more of a personal experience and covering more of the event to get more of the guests included. Great idea. Again, all self-contained, and it's ready to go. Quick, easy, simple. iPad, and off you go. By the way, the iPad is not included in that. You've got your iPad at home. You stick right in there, and you are good to go. You can find out more information on this and all the other products here from Atlanta Photo Booth. Just go out to atlantaphotoBooth.com. We'll put a link in the description below so you can check it out. We're at Photo Booth Expo 2018.